Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the chef on the Curve of Time. I'm also the naturalist, where I'll be taking you all to do excursions on islands where we'll go foraging wild mushrooms to bring back to the boat and cook them up and serve them to you guys. The end here has this kind of really nice mushroom flavor, and the further in you go, the more bitter it becomes, which is why. And then if you just trim the white, a new white will grow over top of it. This mushroom will keep growing. You're not going to damage the mushroom, or let alone the mycelium that's actually in the tree. There are very few mushrooms that are actually you can eat raw. This is one of them. We'll get to learn all about the different varieties of mushrooms that grow all along the BC coast. Some of the most wild and exotic mushrooms from all over the world grow here, and I'll help you identify and how to cook them.